Well, as you just heard Bree say, colder temperatures are on the way. And normally when we think of precipitation during the winter, those fluffy white flakes pop into our minds. But snow isn't the only thing we could see falling from the sky. As our meteorologist Larry Gebert shares, what falls from the sky all depends on one very key factor.
Water evaporates into the air and condenses on a regular basis because of energy from the sun. The evaporated moisture will reach freezing temperatures and condense, forming clouds. When enough of the moisture collects and the resulting particles are large enough to fall to the earth from gravity, the fallen frozen particles will encounter warmer air on the way down and melt. The result of that is rain. This happens most of the time. In fall and winter conditions, we have different layers of air temperatures. The frozen particles can encounter warm air as they fall, but often a cold air mass at the surface will cause freezing. The particles refreeze and create freezing rain. Ice then forms on roadways and other surfaces. Another possibility is the frozen particles go through a smaller warm air mass and melt, then encounter a large cold air mass, and it will create a rain and snow mix, also known as graupel. This is also commonly called corn snow, or in some cases, large snowflakes. Finally, if the frozen particles fall and only encounter a cold air mass all the way to the surface, then there's no melting, and the result is only snow. And if the surface temperatures are also below freezing, we have accumulating snow.
You know, it's so ironic. My nickname in high school was Graupel.
Mark, you use that joke every time the
It's not
meteorologists
a joke.
say
It's because I was so cool.
He only has 23 days left on air, and we're counting down.